明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いいたします。That's the formal greeting for the New Year's Day. We're here over at the in-laws on January 1st. Do you want to see the food? Yeah, you do. Let's have a look at Osechi Ryori. Now, these are still in the box, but Lord, yum, a yum. All of it has a symbolic meaning. The shrimp curled over in the back, so we make a nice ripe old age and get scoliosis. That's one of my favorites. It's a fish like cooked with kombu. Oi! Yum yum. The black beans work hard. All right, let's get started. Here's a couple of the decorations you need for Oshogatsu, the New Year's festival. These are usually real dried persimmon, a mikan, and a little sake. Chinzano. This is Kushikatsu restaurant. It's a salad, it's a mushroom, beautiful dish, or sauce and hot towel. Start meal of clean. We're on a set menu. The last one was chicken, but the first is shrimp, and they'll point the stick towards which of the four sauces you're supposed to tuck into. Oh, shio, salt, and tonari, the next one. Oh, itadakimasu. Most of the sticks you can see are the same. This one was for the mushrooms. Look at a little split end. You can use it as a fork afterwards. That kisu, fish, and Anka doesn't like taco or octopus, but Daddy does. I was hoping we'd run across this fellow today. It's shiso, a whitefish with, kisu, a whitefish with shiso inside. Watch this. Oh Lord. Shiso is the Japanese basil. Oh, man, I wish you were here. Come to Japan, you go and love it. Sorry?
You can see it right here.
You can see it. It's so hot. So this is the kind of grand finale of the... Take the spoon, take the lid, thank you. Open that way. The kamameshi on those burners, it's gorgeous. Vegetables, rice, mochi in there. So stir it up with your ohashi or your spoonie. Daddy, yeah, let us show us what's going on. Oh, itadakimasu, the grand finale, kamameshi. That stove is for kamameshi, the rice at Kushikatsu. It's so good. I'll show you later. Look at that burner though. Whoa. So here's the kamameshi when it gets to your bowl, in a lovely little bowl they've given us. Mushrooms, some egg, carrots. It's okay, honey. And of course a side of miso shiru. Oh, the bowl. Isn't it beautiful? And it's every bit as delicious as it looks. A grand finale. Oishi, oishi. Sugoi oishi. Oh, the prettiest old train in Asia, including the Orient Express. Banner day down at the park and the new bathroom install. You can see the forms are coming off the walls for it. And it took an awful long time for that to cure, about 30 days. You see the high sheen on those boards. Those are the forms that made those walls. Oh yeah, there's gonna be in the middle there, a wheelchair access, and this will be the boys and the girls. This is the new style. The old one was, whoa, way old. All right, thank you boys, arigato. It's standard operating procedure to put up a fence, lighting, and here's the gate for it to drive the trucks in. Just as I said, SOP for most building projects. Oh, that's gonna look fine. And my channel, Gaijin TV, is accused of being scattershot. We do buildings, snacks, schools, hospitals, all of it. All of the little stuff you don't get on those other Japan channels through the Gaijin perspective. Man, yoku ganbatta. Well done, buds. Well done indeed. Buy him a tea, Michael. Buy him a tea.